Service in Grand Junction has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Garfield County in west central Colorado, northwestern Mesa County in west central Colorado, until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported flash flooding and a wall of water exceeding washes along 21 Road and 16 Road. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Source, Emergency Management reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, and roadways. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of southwestern Garfield and northwestern Mesa counties along 21 Road and 16 Road washes. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Seek higher ground. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Heed all evacuations.